everyone. A warm welcome to Sahodaya TV of St. Joseph's Evening College. I am Jeffin and you are watching the news for the month of August. Let's take a look at the headlines. The newly inducted faculty attended the Just Call seminar. The celebration of St. Ignatius Feast was held on 2nd of August. The induction for new faculty and the FDP program was held. Orientation for the first year UG students was held on 9th and 10th of August. The Igniters Integral Formation program was held between 12th to 14th of August. The faculty, support staff and students paid homage to Father Roshan Lobo. The 75th Independence Day was celebrated by the NSS on 15th of August. Harmony Association celebrated Onam on 21st August. A workshop on CBCS, choice-based credit system, was conducted. Team building exercises for the staff was conducted at Kunigal on the 7th of August. Just Call seminar was conducted to introduce the newly appointed faculty to the ethos of Jesuit spirituality and education and to promote Jesuit lay collaboration. It was organized from 26th to 28th of July. The staff of St. Joseph's institutions celebrated the feast of St. Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of Society of Jesus, on 31st July. An interreligious prayer service was organized by the ICAF under the guidance of Mr. Josephine Prince Rodriguez. The support staff of BJES was invited to participate in a fellowship meal. ICAF conducted various events during the Ignatian week. The newly appointed staff attended the 2-day induction workshop and FDP on 2nd and 3rd of August. Professor Clement D'Souza conducted a session on motivation and effective communications and teaching. The second session of the day was conducted by Dr. Paul Newman, the principal of SJEC, on teaching and social responsibility. The second day began with a session facilitated by Father Jerry D'Souza. He presented the image of contemporary India and its socio-economic and cultural problems. The induction program was concluded with a feedback session conducted by Father Brian, Director, SJEC. He explained the structure of BJEs, KJEs and the roles and responsibilities of the Director, Rector, Principal and Vice Principal of SJEC. The staff of St. Joseph's Evening College went to Kunigal for an enriching day of team building exercises on 7th of August. Mr. Mahesha, Department of History, was the coordinator of the event. The first year students of St. Joseph's Evening College attended the orientation program on 9th and 10th of August in St. Joseph's Boys High School auditorium. The objective of the program is to help students understand the ethos of the college. The general orientation began with a prayer service, followed by a welcome address by Dr. Paul Newman, the principal. He also provided a brief description of the history of the college, its motto, mission and vision. Ms. Dorothy Deepa, the Vice Principal, explained the college's objectives, the characteristics of Jesuit education, and matters relating to discipline. Ms. Vidya, Student Governor, provided insight into the various curricular and extracurricular activities. The COE discussed the examination system and provided insight into the method of assessment followed by the college. The orientation sessions thus provided insight into the various aspects of Jesuit education, as well as giving students the opportunity to establish rapport with their teachers and the management. The second and third year students had their orientation on the 11th of August. The NSS unit celebrated the 75th Independence Day at St. Joseph's Evening College. Students from various departments actively took part in events conducted throughout the day. Integral Formation Program was organized for UG and PG students from 12th to 14th of August. The objectives of the program are threefold: to ignite vision in young minds to be creative and critical thinkers, to ignite passions in young hearts for committed and constructive actions, and to ignite mission in young spirits to dream for a better world. The program was very well received and helped students gain insight into the self as well as develop awareness about the social realities. The faculty and students of St. Joseph's Evening College paid homage to the late Father Roshan Lobo on 14th of August by attending Mass. Harmony Association celebrated Onam on 21st August. Ms. Pratibha and Ms. Ankita were the resource persons for the day. The session received good feedback from the participants. Students were intrigued by these colorful and culturally insignificant practices that was presented. Dr. Rekha Ahuja, Head Department of Psychology, conducted a workshop on mentoring for the faculty members on 23rd August. The end semester examination result of 6th semester UG and 4th semester PG were announced in the last week of August. An orientation to the National Education Policy was organized by IQAC on 29th of August. Dr. Paul Newman, the principal, and Professor Ravi Richard, the head Department of Commerce, were the resource persons for the day. Brings us to the end of this edition of the monthly news on Sahodaya TV. This is Jeffin, signing off. Good night, everyone.